One of the most common questions I get during a consultation is, will my facelift look natural? And I mean, the short answer is yes, because that's the way I do it. My aim is to make you look like a younger version of yourself. In general, when it comes to my philosophy, I don't do the duck lips, I don't do the cat eyes. I'm just trying to rejuvenate you. Here's why you look natural. So what we do is we position all the tension on the deep layer structures. So we basically lift them up and reposition them to where they were, say, 10, 15 years ago. And that really minimizes any sort of distortion. In addition, one of the most common reasons you get distortion is just by pulling the skin and putting the tension at that. If you think about it, the Joker smile you get by really pulling the skin back. You see that's I'm pulling the skin back, not the deep layer structures. Or the windswept look again. By putting all the tension on the skin in the wrong vector, that's how you get the more telltale signs of a facelift. So by avoiding those and knowing about them, or putting too much tension on the ear, you'll see people have their ear lobe coming down to their jawbone almost. So those are some of the telltale signs, and we avoid them by doing the deep plane, repositioning things in the natural vectors to where they were before they descended. For the neck, you actually could end up with a better neckline than you had when you were young. If you had deep sub-Q fat when you were younger, that's all going to get taken care of during the surgery. So that's how we make sure that you will look natural.